Hello everyone, my name is Diavion and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's actually been a hot minute since I posted a video here. So I'm coming in 2025 with more videos. Fingers crossed, we're gonna hope and pray that I can put out videos. I've missed posting videos. I do plan on posting a lot more this year. So to kick off 2025, I am here with a mini twist tutorial, maintenance, how-to video, whatever you want to call it. On TikTok, I have been getting a lot of questions and comments about how I did my hair, so I thought, why not make a longer video on YouTube? So here we are. So this is my hair. These are my mini twists I did on myself in the beginning of January, and it's now February the 8th. Today is the 8th. So I've had them in for about a month. I'm going to take them down next Friday and probably either redo them or install some boho braids, which, fingers crossed, I have the energy to actually film that. But yeah, so let me just show y'all what they look like all the way around. So these are the twists. They kind of look like frizzy and everything because, like I said, I've had them in for a little minute now. And so I'm just gonna be sharing the rundown of what I do to achieve this hairstyle and also how I maintain it. So starting off with how you achieve the hairstyle, it's actually super simple. I was asked on TikTok, how do I do the parts and stuff like that? But it's really simple. I alternate between freehand and then parting my hair as if I'm about to install some knotless braids. So for these, I parted my hair like I was going to do knotless braids in the back, and then I just did freehand in the front and did a side part because I don't like middle part with these in. It doesn't look as good as it does with the side part. So yeah, I just freehand them in the front, and then I parted it in the back as if I was doing knotless braids. So it's easy. You just wash your hair with your favorite shampoo, then do a leave-in conditioner or a rinse out conditioner, however you want. And I was also asked if I do this on blow dried hair or if I do it on just like straight washed hair. And if I'm talking funny, it's because I have my retainer in. Do this hairstyle on blowed out hair. So I blow dry my hair. I blow dry it semi-straight. It's like semi-straight. Sometimes I think I'll blow dry it too straight because then the twists don't look as full, but that's okay. We'll get to that. I do my mini twist on just straight wet washed hair because it shrinks up and shrivels up, and just with my face shape and everything, that just doesn't look right to have my mini twist like up here. So I do it on blowed out hair to retain my length. So, and I really like it this way. So yeah, I blow out the hair, and after you blow dry it out with your blow dryer brush, I always add heat protecting spray on it before I blow dry it. So you do that, and then that's when you can start sectioning your hair. So you can section it as you would do with like knotless braids, do the map, or you can freehand. After you do all of that, the next step that you want to do is just to actually start twisting. And so that is really easy, really simple. What I like to do, because how I get mine to lay flat is I started off as a braid. I'll insert some clips so that y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. But I start my mini twist off as a braid so that it can lay flat, right? So people are asking me, well, how do you get them to lay flat? It's important to start it off as like a braid, like you do in a knotless braid, and then twist. But while doing this, you will see your hair kind of like looking a bit bulky from the braid transitioning to the twist. But once you tie your hair down with your scarf, you tie it down at night and you lay on it, it will definitely flatten it out, and you won't have to worry about that bulky look after. Another thing people ask me all the time is, what products do you use? And I'm just going to be honest, I don't put any product in my hair because I want it to stay as clean as possible. So just the heat protectant spray when I'm blow drying it. And then this step, once I get to the end of the twist, to keep my hair curly at the ends, like curly at the ends and not looking extremely dry and brittle, I like to use a leave-in conditioner. So I really love the As I Am leave-in conditioner. It's really nice. It keeps the curls super like bouncy and shiny, and it's perfect. It doesn't flake, and it smells so good. The ends, they have the conditioner, and they're curly and they're pretty bouncy. So that's how I want them to look. I don't want them to look dry and frizzy. So on installation day, you want to add in your conditioner on the ends, and then every other day, for however long you keep these in, you want to add the conditioner on the ends also. And another product that I'll use maybe like once every other week is I will like apply some oil on my scalp just to keep it moisturized. People ask, how do you wash it? And I'm just gonna be honest. While I have these in, I don't. I wait until I take them out to wash, because I looked it up, and like if you have twists and you wash them, your hair will try to lock up because the water will cause the hair to like kind of like mat together, and I do not want these to turn into locks. I don't think it's nasty to do that. I just, when I'm done with them, I'll take them down and I'll wash it and start my new hairstyle. So like I said, I've had these in for like almost a month. No, I have not washed them, but I will be washing my hair next Friday when I take them down. So I think it's okay. How do I maintain them during the duration that I have them in? I am a firm believer of wrapping your hair up any chance you get. I always tie my hair up with a scarf. I tie it up with a scarf just to protect it. And when you tie it, you want to make sure you put these behind the hair and tie it back behind your hair so that you don't like leave a dent in your hair. But if you do happen to leave a dent in your hair, I'm going to tell you and show you what to do to get the dent out. And I always put on a bonnet. I just use a long bonnet. For my day-to-day with work and school and stuff, some days I will wear my hair down, but majority of the time I'm wearing it in a ponytail. It'll have a dent from where I had the ponytail holder or whatever. But what you want to do to get rid of that dent is just to get your blow dryer. I have the Revlon brush blow dryer, and you just want to take your hair in sections and put it on the coolest temperature, the coolest setting. That's what I do. And it's warm air. You can spray a little bit of heat protectant if you want, but you take the blow dryer and you just hold it where the dent is, and you just leave it there and go up, go down, press it in until it straightens it out. And that's how I keep my hair to fall straight. On TikTok, a lot of people are asking me, how do you keep it to stay straight? It's because I use my blow dryer, and I don't do this all the time. There's some weeks where I'm not going to wear it down, so I won't even blow dry it. And it'll have the dent, but it's like I'm pulling it back, so it doesn't matter. I think I covered everything on how to install, what products I use, how to maintain it, the nighttime routine that I do. So I think that is the conclusion of my mini twist how-to video. So I really hope that y'all found that to be helpful. Let me know if you have any more questions in the comments. And I just really love this hairstyle. I've been doing this since like 2019, I think. But I really do enjoy my hair like this, but I think I'm ready to switch it up now. So I'll probably install some boho braids this upcoming weekend. Don't know if I'm going to do jet black or go back blonde, but we will see. Well, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I hope that this video was useful, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.